Welcome to T-Teach, the discriminant, one number that tells you everything about a quadratic's solutions. b squared minus 4ac. Let's see how powerful this is. Remember the quadratic formula? Inside the square root, we have b squared minus 4ac. This is the discriminant, written with the Greek letter delta. It determines how many solutions exist. Positive, 2 solutions. 0, 1 solution. Negative, no real solutions. Let's see why. Let's start with positive discriminant. Example, x squared minus 3, x plus 2 equals 0. Identify. A is 1, B is negative 3, and C is 2. Write delta equals b squared minus 4ac. Substitute negative 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 1 is positive. So we have 2 real roots. The graph crosses the x-axis twice. Now, when delta equals 0, example, x squared minus 4, x plus 4 equals 0. A is 1, B is negative 4, C is 4. Delta equals b squared minus 4 ac. Negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Exactly 0. 1 repeated root. This is a perfect square. The graph touches the x-axis once. Finally, negative discriminant. Example, x squared plus 2, x plus 5 equals 0. A is 1, B is 2, C is 5. Delta equals b squared minus 4ac. 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5. 2 minus 20 equals negative 18. 4 minus 20 equals negative 16. Negative! No real roots. You can't take the square root of negative 16 in real numbers. The graph never crosses the x-axis. Let's work through 3 more examples. Example 1. X squared minus 5. X plus 6 equals 0. A equals 1, B equals negative 5, and C equals 6. Substitute into delta equals b squared minus 4, AC. Negative 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6. 25 minus 24 equals 1. Positive. 2 solutions. Example 2. X squared plus 6, x plus 9 equals 0. A is 1, B is 6, C is 9. 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9. 36 minus 36 equals 0. 0, 1 solution. Example 3. X squared plus x plus 1 equals 0. A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. 1 minus 4 equals negative 3. Negative. No real solutions. Remember, delta equals b squared minus 4ac. Positive delta, 2 solutions. 0 delta, 1 solution. Negative delta, no real solutions. Always check the discriminant before solving. It saves time in exams and tells you what to expect. Master this.